Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford F-150 battery. First, let's talk about preparation and safety. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools like an 8mm or 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and your new battery. Always ensure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. For your protection, wear safety glasses and gloves to prevent any contact with battery acid. Taking these precautions ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll find the battery under the hood, usually on the passenger side of your Ford F-150. Always start by loosening and removing the negative battery cable first. This is crucial for safety. Once the negative cable is off, proceed to disconnect the positive cable. After both cables are free, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. Carefully lift out the old battery, which can weigh around 40 pounds. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using a wire brush to ensure good electrical contact. Place your new, fully charged battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal first. Then, connect the negative battery cable to the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure to prevent any power issues. For our final steps, let's secure everything and test your work. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp or strap firmly to prevent the battery from moving while driving. Consider applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to protect them from rust and ensure a longer battery life. Finally, start your Ford F-150. If it cranks over strongly and starts, you've successfully replaced your battery. Enjoy your reliable power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.